Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Hope you are having a blessed day today. Today I'm going to show you how to make English muffin with a starter called Poolish. The English muffins are going to be turned into sandwiches that are filled with ham, sausage, bacon and eggs, and they would be served with kale chips. Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today I'm going to show you So what is a Polish starter? It is equal parts flour to water and a pinch of yeast, and you leave that covered at room temperature for approximately 12 to 14 hours. What that does, it will give flavor to the English muffin as well as allow natural yeast to develop. Now to finish up the English muffin, I will be rolling that dough into a rectangle, cutting that into smaller portions, placing those cut pieces onto a skillet or a tower until it has that nice golden brown on either side. Taking those English muffin, placing them onto a greased tray and baking them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. For me, I wanted that English muffin rustic look, but in your case, you can take the dough and cut it into circles, triangles, squares, whatever shape you desire. So let me go and show you that now. To make the kale chips, what you have to do is remove the leaves from the stem, wash and dry the leaves, season them with salt, black pepper and oil, place them on a grease sheet tray in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the edges are brown but not burnt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Have a blessed day. I am out.